Hello, woof woof. My name is Tusha and I am Alan's dog. I live in a motorhome with him. He has gone out and left me all by myself. If I catch him taking any other dogs out for a walk, he will be in big trouble. He told me to do today's video too. It is an absolute disgrace. He should be taking me out for a 26 kilometers walk. Dogs don't do videos. In fact, dogs are not supposed to live in overblown kennels on wheels, but that is my lot in life. I suppose you want to see this video too. Believe me, it is not worth seeing. But if I must, then I will show you. My owner filmed this van at Caravan Salon 2020. However, he did not take me. Dogs are allowed inside the halls, so I don't know why I did not go. It is another absolute disgrace. And he does not let me use his camera either, so all I have got are pictures which I had to draw myself. This is the 2021 version of the NAS Sun I. It is called I because it is integrated. NAS says that this van is perfect down to the last detail, that is luxury paired with sporty elegance. Who are they trying to kid? You can fool the buyer, but you cannot fool a dog, that is what I say. NAS have given the front a new design which suggests to me it was not much good before. Now it has 6 full LED headlights in a unique U shape which gives it an unmistakable face. LED headlamps improve visibility at night, and the last thing you would want to do is to run down some poor dog that needs to get to the other side of the road. Features outside have chrome and a carbon-like appearance which are meant to underline the dynamic character of the vehicle and give it a high recognition factor. So what does it look like inside? My owner said about a NAS Sun I a few years ago that it looked like a nightclub in Moscow in 1995. So what was he doing in a nightclub in Moscow in 1995 is what I want to know. The double flow is heated because the last thing you would want is for your dog to get cold feet. It is meant to look like a yacht, presumably one that has sunk. It has natural matte wood decor, furniture handles in black chrome, a dark kitchen worktop and dining table, with lighting integrated into walls and furniture. NAS claimed that the living room embodies timeless elegance at the same time as being inviting. Maybe it does look a bit like a nightclub in Moscow in 2013, which was the year I went there. It was part of a dog's cultural exchange. My owner got to spend a few days with Mr. Trump's dog, who I believe is called Melania, and Mr. Trump took me to Moscow. I really felt sorry for Mr. Trump because his other guests had awful problems with incontinence. That room smelled awful. I was surprised as these ladies seemed so young too. I think perhaps they should get some incontinence pads. Anyway, back to the Sun I motorhome. This van offers upholstery for the seating areas, various colors and in genuine leather, so you could get your dog's favorite color. Dogs have dichromatic vision, which means that they cannot see the color range green to red. Dogs see yellow, blue and gray, so these would be the best colors to get the upholstery in. Mind you, dogs have a much more highly developed sense of smell than people, which is why I won't be going to any more hotels in Moscow with Mr. Trump. If his dog Melania wants to come and stay with us, then we can go for walks together in the countryside and chase some sheep. Obviously the Sun I is a big motorhome, so it has a somewhat spacious kitchen with lots of storage space. The 177-liter refrigerator can be opened on both sides thanks to the double stop. The rear sleeping area is designed in light gray tones, which are visible to the eye of your dog. There are various bed layouts for your dog to choose from. A lot of luggage can be stored in wardrobes and storage compartments. There are also open shelves, which are pretty pointless because as soon as you move the motorhome, Things will fall off and they could fall on your dog and hurt her or him. There is also a 2-person bed over the driving cabin in the front, which won't be a problem for your dog as she or he will be able to stand upright under it, but it might be a problem for you if you don't like hitting your head under it. However, you can sleep on it, but remember only to go to sleep once your dog is asleep, and also to wake up and be ready to go out for a very long walk before your dog awakes in the morning. If not, your dog will have to wake you up. The toilet is separate from the shower. The new Sunny will be available from 2021 as a 3-axle vehicle on the 900 LEG and 900 LX floor plans. So what about the quality of this van? My owner does not like to talk about quality, but we hear a lot of things from people who own motorhomes and we base our opinions on what other people tell us. Our opinion is that NAS is not a reliable brand. Furthermore, the company has gone bankrupt in the past. We do not recommend that you buy a NAS, and of course I accept no responsibility if you do buy one of their motorhomes after seeing this excellent review that I have given it. I am very disappointed to have to report to you that there are some people out there who do not like my videos. Those people will be getting a right biting. If I catch anyone giving this video a thumbs down, there will be serious consequences. If you are thinking of giving this video a thumbs down, then you might want to increase your health insurance. I told you at the beginning that the video was not worth seeing, so don't blame me. So if you want to avoid a right biting, then you will give this video a thumbs up.